Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place in your country or part of your country that you would like to recommend to visitors or travelers. You should say what it is, where it is, what people can do there, and explain why you would like to recommend to visitors or travelers. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite fond of traveling as well as like exploring new places, and today I would like to speak about a place named Nainital which I would like to recommend to both national and international tourists. So fond means to like something. Recommend means suggest. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. It is a beautiful hill station located in the foothills of Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand and is popular for the revered Naina Devi temple which stands on the edge of the lake. So revered means famous. Furthermore, I would like to suggest visitors to plan their travel there in the month of June when the temperature would be moderate, ranging between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and not very cold, to get temporary respite from the hot and humid weather which prevails in most of the country during this time. So respite means relief. Prevails means present. Additionally, travelers can enjoy boating at the picturesque Naini Lake, situated in the backdrop of majestic mountains, catch a glimpse of the mesmerizing sunrise from Tiffin Top, and also pay obeisance at the divine Naina Devi temple. So picturesque means beautiful, backdrop means background, majestic means huge, glimpse means for a short moment, mesmerizing means beautiful, and obeisance means to pay respect. Moving further, tourists could also try some exotic cuisines at the local restaurants and also purchase souvenirs from the street markets. So exotic means traditional. Souvenirs are items or things which remind you of the place you have traveled to. Finally, this trip would give everyone an opportunity to develop stronger bonds with their loved ones while relaxing and de-stressing in the tranquil environment at the same time. So tranquil means peaceful. Thank you for your time everyone.